Can Christ Embassy, as an incorporated trustee, go into car manufacturing? Nigerians doubt Chris Oyakhilome car manufacturing business. Welcome back to the moment of truth and enlightening class. We are using our brains now. It's not like before. This is our brother that has knowledge in what is going on in incorporated and corporated business, is now telling us, educating us. Let me read it to you, my people. Don't let anybody fool you. A lot of money is being donated by Christ Embassy members, the followers, the partners, towards all these things. So at the end of the day, it's going to be scam, because they are thanking Elon Musk. Elon Musk knew nothing about it. So let me read this to you. About Pastor Chris Oyakhilome's recent announcement of the church car production. Someone posted this. So, Pastor Chris Oyakhilome has announced that Christ Embassy has added the production of electric cars to its activities. Now, the legal issue is this: can a church register as an incorporated trustee go into the business of producing cars? Production of cars is a highly regulated industry in Nigeria. It involves compliance with the relevant requirements of bodies such as NADDC, SON, and CAC, and other applicable regulators. An incorporated trustee is not the same thing as a company incorporated to carry on commercial business. You get that too? They are not capable by law to do what Chris Oyakhilome said he is going to do. It is essentially a structure created for religious, charitable, and other non-profit purpose. Yes, an incorporated trustee can generate income, but it is not established for the purpose of distributing profit to its members. You hear, and this is what he told them, that he be distributing profit to members. People start to be empty their purses. So some people are selling the lands of their family, selling their family house, a lot of things going on. So a non-profit trustee cannot simply turn itself into a profit-making commercial company. They are in disguise. But now that he wants to do something like this, he is exposing himself. So this person explained this is why. The important question is Christ Embassy itself manufacturing these cars, or as a separate company being incorporated for the car manufacturing business? Question. If it is a separate company, then we need to ask this question. So, who owns the company? Who funded it? What is the relationship between the company and Christ Embassy? You see where the scam is now. You see how he's thanking Elon Musk. Elon Musk knew nothing about it too. Don't let anybody deceive you, my people. Things are happening. So, Chris Oyakhilome, come on. Now, let's move on to the other room. The other room where Origbo is advising The Gen Z.
Somebody wakes up in the morning, the first thing he greets is his phone, and is there looking at pictures till 12. His headache that will stop him from that phone, and he stands up, he eats food, he comes back. By the time he's looking at the time again, it's 4 p.m. The day is finished, and his heart is not troubled. He has not learned anything. He has not serviced his passion, and he's hoping that God will exalt him. He's hoping that he will become significant in his generation. It is not possible. Even if we pour a drum of oil on your head, you will go nowhere.
You see what he's telling the Gen Z, the people that follows him. He doesn't want them to be checking their phones. He doesn't want them to be going online, because he knows that if they are online, they will see all their secrets. Something like this that he's doing in this video. They will know that he's lying. They will quickly know their secrets. And when people start reading the comments, that is when some people get sense. Their minds open, and they reason with what they are reading in the comments, because these people doesn't know them. And in the comments, we learn a lot. If you go online in the comments, especially under our videos in the moment of truth and enlightening class, if you are reading the comments, you will learn a lot. Because me, I am learning a lot. They don't want you to learn. They want you to remove mumu, so they will continue fooling you. That's what is going on, my people. That's the truth about it. In this video, he was performing a lot of fake miracles. Fake miracles that people that are close to him, we know that he is unable to do such. It's all lies. It's all gimmicks. There is nothing there. This is what they are doing. No, that's why I say, me, know God for yourself. Oh, they have nothing to offer you. Even they cannot offer themselves anything. Before you believe what they are saying, look at Nigeria. The kidnappers, the government, they sack one city, one village in Benue. They sack the whole city. They killed 23 people. That was yesterday. It is in the news today. And the Adeboye told us that God told him during convention. It's not up to 2 weeks now. He said they'll be reduced in kidnappings. The Borno kids are still in the bush. Thousands of people are still in the bush. And all these liars are performing miracles every day. And Nigeria is still the way it is. Don't let anybody fool you. There's nothing there. Look at him there. In Zambia. They are the one that bringing judgment upon Nigeria. God have mercy. I see you on my next video. Bye for now.